Now, what is the purpose of meditation? Calming the spirit. Okay, that sounds good. That's a benefit. That's a benefit.
Free your mind.
Freeing your mind. Okay. So, free your mind. Now, what does that mean? Free your mind. Emptiness. That means no thought. That means no mind. Okay? People think of meditation as something that they have to do. I have to do my meditation. You have to undo the thoughts that are holding you down. And then your mind will be free. So it's no thought. So my favorite meditation is standing. And I'm standing outside, I'm looking up at the sky. And I'm staring at the sky, and then all of a sudden I dissolve and I become the sky. And unless somebody touches me or yells a noise, I'm gone. That's a good question. If you're in no mind, then
There's no time.
There's no time, right?
No mind, no time.
So,
no thing.
Ideally, an hour twice a day. That would be the super ideal. But I don't have time! It's too much! I got stuff to do! I gotta walk the dog, I gotta pick up my mother, I gotta drop off the kids, I don't have 2 hours. Okay, then you need to do 4 hours.
Because obviously.
Obviously needed.
You need 4 hours of meditation. So what's the minimum that you can get away with and still get a benefit? 20 minutes twice a day. That would be the absolute minimum. So 20 minutes twice a day to an hour twice a day. So you have a certain amount of leeway in there, okay, to free your mind. So when is the best time to meditate? Just before you leave the house and as soon as you walk in the door. That's the best time to meditate. So you took a shower, you ate your breakfast, you put your clothes on, you got your keys, your phone, and your wallet, your shoes, everything's by the front door. I got 20 minutes before I gotta leave to go to work. Now you meditate. Guess what? No traffic. No arguments. You get to work your whole day. It's like you don't meditate. Stuck in traffic. You didn't turn the report in yesterday. Oh. So, just before you leave the house. Now, you come home, you want to listen to the answering machine, you want to get a snack, you want to lay down, you want to take a bath, you want to do all these things. Just meditate for 20 minutes. And then all of a sudden, what was I upset about? What was so important that I had to do? And then the rest of your evening is that easy. That's it. Okay? So that's ideally, but you have to figure out what works for you. Where should I do the meditation? Well, here's one altar. There's another altar. There's another altar. So I have 3 altars in one room. I have 3 altars in my bedroom. I have 3 altars in my office. So I got 9 places to meditate anytime I want. So you have to make up your altar, what works for you in your house. Okay? So if you meditate 20 minutes twice a day, your emo brain will be balanced. There's sitting. There's moving. There's walking. There's spiral. Shamanic. Shamanic meditation. Standing, sitting, moving, walking, spiral, fire, water, and shamanic meditation. Now, can we do all 8 of them at one time? No. So I typically do an 8-week class. So each week we practice one type of meditation, and the rest of that week you practice on your own. And then the next week I teach you the next one, and the next week I teach you the next one, until we've gone through all 8. And then you get to pick your favorite, and that's the one that you do. Because people ask me all the time, what is the best type of meditation? The one that you're going to do every day. That's the best one.